Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of your friends that have joined us to watch this video. So today we're going to talk about importing packages, okay? And it's pretty much the same as importing a library, except you can navigate through the dictionary structure in the package. Remember in the example we showed you, you could there was the main directory, and then there was like 3 or 4 directories underneath that, and in each one of those directories there were a bunch of Python files, and you were also able to drill down and just take out and access specific definitions or functions within that Python file or module. Well, we're going to go and talk about that because there's a little, it's like an importing a library, if I can say it over a different way, but a little bit different. And with that, let's go ahead and read the manual. And there won't be an example with this video because I don't think it needs one. Anyway, let's begin.
Python Training Video 36. Importing asterisk from a package. Now what happens when the user writes from sound.effects import asterisk? Ideally, one would hope that this somehow goes out to the file system, finds which submodules are present in the package, and imports them all. This could take a long time, and importing submodules might have unwanted side effects that should only happen when the submodule is explicitly imported. The only solution is for the package author to provide an explicit index of the package. The import statement uses the following convention. If a package's __init__.py code defines a list named __all__, it is taken to be the list of module names that should be imported when from package import asterisk is encountered. It is up to the package author to keep this list up to date when a new version of the package is released. Package authors may also decide not to support it if they don't see a use for importing asterisk from their package. For example, the file sound/effects/__init__.py could contain the following code.
All right, well this is an important little bit of information for when you start writing your own packages, because if you're asked to maintain someone else's package. Okay? All right, so let's move on.
This would mean that from sound.effects import asterisk would import the 3 named submodules of the sound package. If __all__ is not defined, the statement from sound.effects import asterisk does not import all submodules from the package sound.effects into the current namespace. It only ensures that the package sound.effects has been imported, possibly running any initialization code in __init__.py, and then imports whatever names are defined in the package. This includes any names defined, and submodules explicitly loaded, by __init__.py. It also includes any submodules of the package that were explicitly loaded by previous import statements. Consider this code.
All right, now this is important because it's important for you to understand how the mechanics work underneath when you're doing these imports, because the better understanding you have of this, the easier it's going to be for you to solve problems with your program. All right, so here we go. Let's continue.
In this example, the echo and surround modules are imported in the current namespace because they are defined in the sound.effects package when the from import statement is executed. This also works when __all__ is defined. Although certain modules are designed to export only names that follow certain patterns when you use import asterisk, it is still considered bad practice in production code. Remember, there is nothing wrong with using from package import specific _submodule. In fact, this is the recommended notation unless the importing module needs to use submodules with the same name from different packages. Packages.
All right, well, the boring part's over. All right, there's no sample code here to run this because I don't think it's required, especially since we're going to be revisiting this topic over and over again every time we write some code in the future. All right, with that, go out and have some fun today. Enjoy.